Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Play around with different fonts or even upload your own. Change the size and color by clicking on any text box and follow the easy guide. Use words that genuinely mean something to you. The key to successful, shareable inspirational quote images is that they are a true reflection of you and your brand.
Let's help you make your mark.
Write like real people talk. Be conversational, yet avoid trite, filler language. Use phrasing that is memorable and helps create a picture in the reader's mind. Provide meaningful insights and perspectives in a quote that increase the value of the quote and the likelihood of its pickup by media. 5 September 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To register your quote, submit an application form, deposit and filing fee to the U.S. Copyright Office. You can submit an application online at copyright.gov or you can mail a hard copy. If the U.S. Copyright Office needs additional information, it will contact you. 5 June 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to make a quote poster. Start with inspiration. Adobe Spark Post includes custom sizing options. Remix it to make it your own. There are lots of ways to personalize your quote poster templates. Amp up the flair. Resize to make your content go further. Download, share, or print.
Let's help you make your mark.
In this article, we'll cover: select a template, add client information, enter the quote number, include a date of issue, enter products or services, add terms and conditions, include notes, add optional details.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.